Did you hear about the water bottle that got into a fight with a bar of soap? Yeah, it ended up squeaky clean. But don't worry, we won't be resorting to fisticuffs today. Instead, I'm going to walk you through the intricate art of cleaning your Stanley products. Step 1. Disassemble your Stanley cup. This is where you get to feel like a mechanical engineer without the student loans. Remove the lid, the stopper, and any other parts that can be separated. Remember, cleanliness is next to godliness, and we're aiming for divine intervention here. Step 2. Soak the parts in warm water and mild dish soap. Think of it as a spa day for your Stanley. The warm water is like a sauna, and the soap, well, that's the cucumber face mask. Leave it to soak for a while, but don't forget about it. Stanley doesn't enjoy pruny fingers any more than you do. Step 3. Scrub with a toothbrush. No, not the one you used this morning. Grab a new one, or one that's been retired from dental duties. This will help you get into all the nooks and crannies. Remember, a clean Stanley is a happy Stanley. Step 4. Rinse and air dry. This is the cool down after an intense workout. Give everything a good rinse to wash away the soap, then let it air dry. If you're feeling particularly fancy, you can even set up a little drying station. But remember, no towel drying. Stanley prefers to air dry naturally. Now for the piece de resistance, the deep clean. This isn't an everyday thing, more like a spring cleaning for your Stanley. Mix some vinegar and baking soda, and let the fizzing action do its magic. This is like a detox for your Stanley, flushing out any stubborn bacteria that thought they could stick around. So, there you have it. A step-by-step guide to giving your Stanley the cleaning it deserves. And remember, a clean Stanley isn't just about aesthetics. It's about health, longevity, and the satisfaction of sipping from a cup that sparkles. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your Stanley, roll up your sleeves, and show that cup some love. After all, it's been there for you through thick and thin, hot and cold, soup and smoothie. It's time to return the favor. And remember, cleanliness is a virtue, even for water bottles.